Hello everyone, welcome to the Epever new product introduction video series. In this episode, we will introduce our latest mass-produced residential energy storage power product, the HPS-AHL series. It features an integrated lithium iron phosphate battery. This is the product packaging box. Inside, you will find the main unit, related accessories, and user manual. Now let's take a look at the product. The overall design of this series is in white and elegant. With the ease of use in mind, we have centralized the AC and DC outputs and external control ports on the front of the unit. A large-sized dot matrix LCD screen is used for displaying and controlling the machine, and the battery capacity is displayed in the form of a 5-segment LED indicator, allowing users to intuitively understand the battery level. For safety considerations, we have also concentrated the PV input, utility input, external battery interface, inverter output terminals, fuses, and various switches on the left side of the machine, secured with a cover to minimize the risk of electric shock caused by user mishandling. Additionally, there are 2 ventilation openings on both sides of the machine to ensure stable operation. Now, let's connect to this product. For safety reasons, all product connections should follow the same sequence. Connect the ground wire. Connect the load. Connect the PV array. Connect the utility power. All connections have been completed. Now all we need to do is close the circuit breakers and switches in order, and the machine will start. Close the battery circuit breaker. Close the PV array circuit breaker. Turn on the machine switch. Now we can see that the display screen is lit up, with the 4 LEDs above it flashing green, indicating that the machine is operating without any faults. The battery LED on the right is fully lit, indicating that the battery has 100% charge. The machine has now started up and is working properly. Our mass-produced HPS-AHL series products all come with built-in Bluetooth modules, allowing remote control via a mobile app within a certain range of the product. We will demonstrate the specific operations in the next video.